Hi crafters! Now I want to make pizza. Which topping do you want? I think I will just choose this one. So, let's start now. Let's add all the toppings.
Yummy.
So, the pizza has been cut, ready to be packed into the pizza boxes. Pizza is ready to be served. Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
I just wanna let it go for the night. That would be the best therapy for me. Hey, hey, do-do-do-do-do. Yeah, yeah, do-do-do-do-do. Hey, hey, do-do-do-do-do. Yeah, yeah, do-do-do-do-do. All the crazy shit I did tonight, those would be the best memories. I just wanna let it go for the night. That And you will not negotiate. Just fight it and be transformed. 'Cause I like to make myself believe that earth turns slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep, 'cause everything is never as it seems. I'm in love with the shape of you. Tell me how it could have been the one. Feeling you coming back, but my heart's undone. Hurry up, 'cause I've waited so long. Can't but feel my patience fading, waiting for your love. Oh, my heart is aching, got me wishing on every star for everybody. My soul was made for yours, my dear. Oh, and my heart is missing yours, I fear. Oh, you won't come back home, leaving me alone. My heart low, gone, your love I see cold. I still see your ghost when the twilight comes. Oh, yes, oh no. Oh, I can't but feel our patience fading, waiting for your love. Oh, my heart is aching, got me wishing on every star for everybody. For everybody, whatever you wanna do, wanna be with you. Wishing on every star for everybody.
Ya vi que estás aquí, tan cerquita de mí, y me hacía falta, porque la última vez que vine tú no estabas, baby. Oh, vamos a tomar toda la noche, mujer, te invito a bailar hasta el amanecer. Tú quieres jugar y no quieres perder, vamos a bailar, quiero verte mover lento, hasta que el llanto solo junte nuestros cuerpos. Lento, yeah. Vamos a tomar toda la noche, mujer, te invito a bailar hasta el amanecer. Tú quieres jugar y no quieres perder, vamos a bailar, quiero verte mover lento, hasta que el llanto solo junte nuestros cuerpos. Muy lento, más tarde vamos a enloquecer, y si me dejas tú serás mi mujer. Cuánto se nota que me quieres comer, por eso sé que vamos a enloquecer.
Finish, now ready to play. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you.